Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into everything you need to know about creating stronger, more passionate connections with your partner. Today, we're talking about a spicy topic, sex positions that are guaranteed to drive her wild in bed. But before we get started, remember, intimacy is about more than just technique. It's about communication, trust, and ensuring you both feel comfortable and satisfied. That said, these positions can take your connection to the next level. So let's get started. 1. The importance of variety. First things first. Why does variety in the bedroom matter? Well, it's simple. Trying new positions keeps things exciting and helps you explore what works best for both of you. It's a great way to break out of routine and keep the spark alive in your relationship. Plus, certain positions can enhance pleasure for her, making the experience even more fulfilling. So, if you're ready to spice things up, let's dive into some positions that are guaranteed to make her feel amazing. 2. The magic of missionary with a twist. Let's start with a classic, missionary. But don't underestimate it. This position can be incredibly intimate when done right. To elevate it, try propping her hips up with a pillow. This changes the angle and can stimulate her G-spot more effectively. Focus on eye contact and synchronized breathing to deepen the connection. The combination of emotional and physical intimacy makes this position a favorite for many couples. 3. The sensual power of doggy style. Next up, let's talk about doggy style. This position is not only intense, but also allows for deeper penetration. To make it even better, encourage her to arch her back slightly. This enhances the angle and intensifies sensation. Take it slow at first, focusing on rhythm and her reactions. Doggy style is great for creating a mix of passion and control, and it's one of the most popular positions for good reason. For the intimacy of spoon position. For something more intimate and relaxed, try the spoon position. This is perfect for lazy mornings or when you want to focus on emotional closeness. Here's how to make the most of it. Use your hands to explore her body, caressing her waist, thighs, or chest. Whisper sweet or playful things in her ear to build anticipation. The spoon position is not just sensual, but also allows for slow, deliberate movements that she'll love. 5. The confidence of cowgirl. Let's switch things up with the cowgirl position. This is where she's on top, and it gives her control over the pace and depth. It's empowering for her and takes the pressure off you. To enhance this position, place your hands on her hips to guide her movements. Compliment her confidence. Let her know how amazing she looks and feels. This position is all about her pleasure and is a surefire way to drive her wild. 6. The passionate butterfly. Here's a position that's both sensual and visually appealing. The butterfly. Have her lie on her back at the edge of the bed while you stand or kneel. This position allows for deep penetration and gives you control over the rhythm. To make it even better, hold her thighs gently but firmly to create a sense of stability. Maintain eye contact or kiss her legs to add an extra layer of intimacy. The butterfly position is perfect for blending passion with connection. 7. The adventurous standing position. If you're in the mood to try something adventurous, go for the standing position. It's perfect for spontaneous moments and can be incredibly exciting. Here's how to master it. Support her by lifting her slightly or having her lean against a wall for balance. Focus on maintaining a steady rhythm and make sure she's comfortable. The standing position is a great way to bring variety and excitement into your intimate moments. 8. Communication is key. Now, I can't stress this enough. Communication is everything. Talk to your partner about what she likes, what feels good, and what she'd like to try. Pay attention to her body language and adjust accordingly. Remember, the goal isn't just to perform, but to create a shared experience that leaves you both satisfied. 9. Wrapping it all up. So, there you have it. Some amazing sex positions that are sure to drive her wild. To recap, missionary with a twist for intimacy, doggy style for passion and depth, Spoon position for closeness and relaxation. Cowgirl for empowerment and control. Butterfly for elegance and connection. Standing position for spontaneity and adventure. And remember, what makes these positions truly special is the love, respect, and communication you bring into them. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone looking to spice things up in their relationship. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know which position you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident, stay connected, and keep the passion alive.